Okay, now I'm going to show you something very easy to prepare. Okay, it's a dry noodle dish that I usually cook several times a week. Here are the vegetables that I'm going to use today. Okay, this is what I have currently: broccoli, tom yum, and king oyster mushrooms. You can actually add other kinds of vegetables like brinjal, tomatoes, what else? Kangkong, different kinds of veg. Just put them all together. It's going to be great. Anyway, it's healthier too. So here you go. I'm going to use tau kwa, organic tau kwa. And I'm going to use a paste. For the paste, I'm going to use miso as well as vegetarian tom yum. Don't ask me why I mixed them. I just experimented and it tasted great to me. So that's that. For the noodles, I'm going to use this. I bought it from NTUC. It's non-fried, supposedly healthier. So why not? For my tau kwa, I like to air fry it. Just put it in here. Check it out. Beautiful. Mushrooms go in first. Okay, they take a bit longer to cook. Now I'm gonna add in the broccoli. Okay, I prefer my broccoli slightly softer, so usually I cook them a little bit longer. And here comes the last part, the tom yum. They cook really fast, okay? So you gotta be careful about it. I think blanch it for about a few seconds and we're done. Okay, the flame's back on, and today I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna have like 2 portions. Okay, time to mix the sauces. If you realize I haven't added any oil or stuff like that, because at home, right, I don't really cook with additional salt or oil. So if there's oil, it probably come from the paste itself. So there's two tablespoons of tom yum sauce. And 1 teaspoon of miso sauce. Okay, the reason why I'm using a bit more because I have 2 portions of noodles. Don't forget that. Okay, pretty hungry today, so I'm gonna add a bit of black pepper just for a bit of seasoning. And yeah, I like to jumpo everything. So white pepper also go in. Okay, then this is the hot water that we used from just now. Put it in, mix it up, bring the noodles in. Boom. See, we are about done. We're gonna add in the veg or air fried tau kwa. Just pour it all in. Okay, nutritional yeast, just give it a bit of cheesy taste. Grounded chili. Oh, I like it spicy. Fantastic, we're done.